Hey, it's Chica. Quick sewing tutorial today. I'm going to show you how to use a bias tape presser foot to attach your bias tape just like this. This is such a clever little presser foot. It's got this adjustment bar here that you can adjust it to the width of your bias tape. And then you just slip the bias tape in the two little openings here in the front, pull it through on the back, get it nice and lined up. There you go. And then as you straighten it up, you can adjust it again if you need to make sure you have just the right width. See that? Isn't that cool? Look how it holds it. Okay, then you just lift the little lever on your sewing machine, snap it in place where the other presser foot is, and then separate those two pieces and put your fabric right in between. And you just line that fabric up, tuck it in, and as you sew, it holds it in place. It does perfect spacing for you. It really keeps everything nice and straight. It's such a handy little trick. I mean, look at that finish. Look at that perfectly spaced stitching. Pretty clever, neat little tool. Hope you found that helpful. Thanks for watching. See ya.